Good morning and welcome to Quantitative Reasoning, Math 1753. I am your instructor, Dr. Kennard Jones. So you can finally put a face with the name. I am just wanting to get on and actually do a little quick video to make sure that we are on the same page, that we are following along smoothly our timeline, and kind of letting you know what this course is about. Quantitative reasoning is a course that's kind of designed to summarize about 6 different types of math. So you'll touch on set theory, number theory, logic, finance, probability, statistics, and then a little bit of algebra. So it's not just mainly focusing on algebra. It's kind of going to give you kind of a well-rounded view of about 6 different types of math will be in this course. I hope that you have been in Canvas, you've logged on, and familiarize yourself with what's expected in this course. Please make sure you print it off, have handy your timeline. By now you should know that all of your assignments are due on Sunday night, around 11, I think it's 11:59. We say midnight, but 11:59 on Sunday night. Each module, and it has listed what's consisted in that module, is due. So the very first week, Sunday on September the 1st, everyone completed the e-learning orientation quiz, the Confirm My Lab Access, student ID verification, and the Introduce Yourself discussion board. So this week we're on the official module 1, which is your actual concepts. So we're in 2-1 and 2-2. The homework is due, but the quiz is what we're looking for to count for your attendance. So every module has a quiz. Make sure you complete that quiz to be counted for your attendance. It's also counted for grade, but that's how we look at your attendance. You do have 2 attempts at your quizzes. So let's say you didn't do well on that first attempt, you can try it again. And the better score, the higher score, will be the score that's recorded in Canvas, okay? Canvas, My Labs is automatically linked to Canvas. So as you work, it will update. So also keep in mind, if you just work some of the homework, let's say you only do like 2 or 3 problems, then the score is going to be low. That's going to update as well. So don't freak out if Canvas, your grade changes. And that's probably due to the homework, okay? You probably did not complete it. So once it's completed with the grade that you desire, hopefully that's 100, then it will also update. Please keep in mind the percentages for your average in this class. You have 20% is homework, 20% are the quizzes, but your main percentage are the exams. That's 60. So I want to make sure that that is explained. You have 2 exams. You have a midterm and you have a final. Those 2 exams together weigh 60%. So the majority of this course is based off those 2 exams. So I always tell students, when you get ready to take that midterm exam, you want to do your best. You want to do your best on the midterm and the final. But if you don't do a passing grade on that midterm, then if you don't pass the final, the likelihood of probably passing the course is slim. So you don't want to bum midterm and final. Also, midterm and final are our 2 proctored exams. According to Itawamba Community College, we are requiring that the midterm and final be proctored. So you should have already read that in your module, that module 0, kind of the information. And what that means by proctored is that you have to take it at an approved testing site. So if it's not Itawamba, if it's another institution, that information needs to be submitted to us, and that way that it is approved. If it's not an institution, if it's a library, whatever, it has to be actually one of the sites that's listed for approval. So please, please get that information into our e-learning department. And there are some accommodations that we can make for situations such as military, such as deployment, such as terminal illnesses. Those things are listed. So if there is an actual accommodation that you would need for that midterm and that final, please submit the documentation, those requests, to our e-learning department. We are only requiring, this is the only calculator that you can use, is the TI-30X2S. So in order to take your midterm and final, please make sure you have this calculator. This is the only calculator that you can use at our proctor sites. Other than that, everything should be well explained for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I am a traditional teacher here at Itawamba Community College, meaning I am in the classroom. I'm in the classroom the majority of the day. I'm in the classroom from 8 to about 2. So normally I don't get to emails until after 2 o'clock. So please bear with me. I am going to respond as quickly as possible. If you need any further assistance, please send an email and we'll try to schedule either an in-person or a Zoom meeting. That way we can go over problems that you have questions about. Other than that, I welcome you to Itawamba Community College. I welcome you to Quantitative Reasoning and Math 1753. And I hope you have a blessed day.